Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix all recipe app not working. So let's get started. So here I can see the all recipe app. So if it's not working, you have to follow this simple method. Just press and hold it here. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. So when you will just go to the app info, then here you have to scroll down at the last. Just click on the storage. Just click on clear data. Just delete it. Then you have to go back. Okay, then open the app again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You have to go to the Google right here and directly search for the all recipe app. Here we can see. So from here you can download the latest version of the app and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.